Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. In today's video, we will be diving into the exciting world of Jamaica's sea grape tree, which is a plant that has important medicinal and environmental uses as well as other uses. If you're new here and you like to learn about the health benefits, medicinal uses, and other uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world, then consider subscribing. It's totally free, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss our next upload. Get ready now and let us explore the extraordinary health benefits, medicinal uses, and other uses of this amazing plant. You're now looking at a plant that is commonly referred to as sea grape. Scientifically, it is known as COCCOLOBA UVIFERA. There is another plant that is commonly known as sea grape or green caviar. It's actually a type of seaweed, so you know it grows in the ocean. This is what it looks like. Scientifically, it is known as Caulerpa lentilifera. So if you decide to do your own research, guys, which I highly recommend, please use the scientific name for these plants to avoid mistaking one for the other. Alright, so back to this sea grape. Apart from sea grape, it is also commonly known as Jamaican kino, wild seaside grape, and bay grape, among many other common names in English and in other languages. This plant is a part of the Polygonaceae plant family, and the genus is called COCCOLOBA. There are different cultivars of this plant, and it is native to the Americas, but it was introduced to some parts of Asia and Australia. In Jamaica, it can be found growing organically and wildly near sandy shorelines and on beaches. In terms of the characteristics, it can be a shrub or a tree that can grow to over 17 meters in height, but it depends on the location. It can have multiple trunks, or it can have a single trunk. The leaves are green, but they can change color. They are also circular or nearly circular in outline, and some leaves have these prominent red veins. They also have smooth margins and are alternately arranged on the stem. The leaves also have a short petiole, and the petiole is the part that connects the leaves to the stem. The flowers can be male or female, but on separate plants. And they usually appear on these spikes or racemes, and they are small and off-white in color. These are the fruits, and as you can see, they are grape-like in appearance. They start off green in color, and upon maturity they get a bit bigger and change to purple. They contain one big seed. These fruits are edible when they're ripe, and the flavor can be tart and acidic if they're not well ripe, or they can be mild and sweet if they're well ripe. This plant is mainly propagated by seeds and cuttings, but it needs both a male and female plant to be close to each other in order to cross-pollinate and bear fruits. And only the female plants can produce fruits. It is said that the fruits contain significant amounts of important vitamins, such as vitamin A and C, They are also said to have several other vitamins and minerals, that they contain a good amount of calcium, protein, zinc, and iron, which are all important for keeping good health. It is also said that they contain a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids, and that they are good for heart health, good for the skin and hair, good for reducing inflammation and arthritic symptoms, and also good for memory, eyesight, and for preventing diabetes, hypertension, and constipation. Due to its high iron content, it is also said that they are good for preventing anemia, and that the iodine content in them is useful for preventing goiter. It is said that the leaves, roots, and bark are used for medicinal purposes, that to treat dysentery, in some cultures, people use the wood, bark, and root decoction, or they take the juice internally, and that juice from the whole plant is used to treat dysentery in other cultures. The wood, bark, and root decoction or juice is also said to be useful for maladies like hemorrhages and venereal disease, and that the leaf decoction is taken internally to lower blood sugar. It is also said that a patent was filed in 1999 to use the leaf extracts from this plant to help to control blood sugar levels in diabetics. Apart from being used to lower blood sugar, the leaf decoction is also said to be useful for treating asthma, menopausal symptoms, diarrhea, tumors, anemia, and hoarseness. It is also used externally to treat wounds. To treat diarrhea, it is said that juice from the whole plant is also used, that the bark tea is useful for ulcers, and the stem decoction is useful for intestinal issues. It is also said that placing the leaves on one's head is useful for treating headaches. The sea grape tree is used as an ornamental tree, also as a hedge and a privacy barrier in some places. People also use it as a shade tree. As mentioned previously, the fruits are edible, and apart from eating them straight from the tree, some people process them into other things like syrups, jams, jellies, and wine, and they're also added to soups. The juice of the fruits are used to make ice cream and sherbets. Nectar from the flowers is said to produce a very good quality honey. The bark sap is said to be useful for tanning and dyeing, and the wood is used for charcoal and firewood, and to build furniture and houses. The leaves make a good mulch and are used to make hats. They are also used as plates and paper, and the roots are said to be used to make baskets. The trees are used to prevent beach erosion and are also used as a protective habitat for small animals. It is also said that people use it as a windbreak near beaches. That's it for now, guys. For your own benefit and safety, please remember to do your own research, and see you in the next video.